Looking for the best baking sheet sets? In this video we look at some of the top 3 baking sheet sets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. USA Pan, Bakeware 1300 ST half sheet pan, set of 2, aluminized steel. Pros: 2 aluminized steel half-sheet pans with corrugated surface for air circulation and quick, heavy gauge. Non-stick silicone coating is free of PTFE, PFOA, and BPA. Cons: pan may warp in oven. Bottom line: these heavy-duty half-sheet pans evenly bake your cookies and effortlessly release them afterward. At number 2. Nordic Ware, Naturals Half Sheet, 2-pack. Pros: pure aluminium commercial bakeware. Doesn't rust. Bakes evenly due to superior heat conductivity. Great for sheet cakes. Cons: be sure to follow care instructions, including hand washing. Bottom line: a set of handsome pans from a leading company, heavy-duty aluminium is great for baking. At number 1. Taste of Home, Non-Stick Baking Sheet Set, 2-pack. Pros: 2 sizes included in the set. Handles are easy to grip. Pans are sturdy and long-lasting. Sheets can go in the dishwasher. Cons: the pans could rust if not dried thoroughly. Bottom line: this is a set of 2 non-stick pans with a unique embossed design that promotes airflow around your baked goods. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.